When conducting inspections in confined spaces, the reliability of observations and the safety of operations are essential. Today, discover an indoor inspection drone designed to improve the quality of inspections, optimize operations, and reduce operational constraints. Introducing the Stereo 3. The Stereo 3 is an indoor inspection drone designed to navigate with precision in confined, dark spaces without GPS signal. It improves intervention safety by reducing operator exposure to hazardous environments. Equipped with odometric cameras, the Stereo 3 ensures precise stabilisation and stable flight. Its smooth handling guarantees safety, precision and control, even in confined spaces and the most demanding industrial environments. Camera and image quality. Equipped with a 4K camera, the Stereo 3 captures exceptional quality images and videos, ideal for analysis and diagnosis. For total flexibility in the field, it is possible to record directly in 4K from the camera or in 1080p via the radio control. Its integrated 13,000 lumen LED lighting system ensures exceptional visibility, even in total darkness, allowing you to move around safely and detect every detail in the darkest environments. Its carbon cage protects the drone when flying close to walls and equipment, an essential asset for inspection in confined environments. Its 12-minute autonomy allows for targeted and efficient inspections, providing the time needed to complete each mission without excessive interruption. A compact, accurate and secure solution. With the Stereo 3, monitor the inaccessible in complete safety.